Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a product that could help you breathe easier by purifying the air. This air purifier from iTvanila has 3-stage filtration, which also includes the pre-filter, an activated carbon filter, and a true HEPA filter. The HEPA filter removes 99.97% of airborne particles. It also removes odors such as smoke, cooking, chemical smells, even pet smells. So if you're allergic to pets, that's a great option. It's designed for small to medium-sized rooms up to 320 square feet. It's lightweight and small enough to move around easily. The box does come with an instruction manual that has your basic operating instructions, how to take care of it, how to clean it, all the functions on the top, which we'll go over soon, but it tells you all of that, and some troubleshooting information just in case you need to. There's a problem, you don't know what it is, you don't have to immediately contact them or anything like that. So very helpful, very handy, and that is what comes in the box. Let's take a look at the controls. They are on the top of the unit, so make sure you plug your device in the back. There's the power button to turn it on and off. Right there. You turn it once to turn it on, and you click it another time to turn it off. Turn it on again, and we can look at these speeds. Now there are 3 speeds when it comes to the fan. Now all you have to do to change the speed cycle is click it once. Here we're at the second highest, and these little diagrams right here really help you out with that. And then here's the highest. That's the lowest if you didn't get a good chance to hear that one, but it's pretty quiet. And if you need to use a child safety lock for any particular reason, it's right here, and all you have to do is hold it down for 3 seconds. And there you go, it's on. I'll turn it back off so I can show you everything else. Like I said, you just hold it for 3 seconds both ways to turn it on and off. There's an LED light button right here. There are two settings for that. You have your low light and your higher one. This would be great as like a little night light, or if you need to see something in the dark on this, be a great way to look at that. Let's turn that off. Now this is the filter reset button. Actually, no, it's not a button, but it lights up when the air filter needs to be checked or replaced. And once you change the filter or maybe clean it off or something, you need to hold that down for 3 seconds to make sure everything is calibrated. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to change the filter. The instruction manual does lay out good guidelines for you to know that. It's in the back of the manual. But the easiest way that I recommend doing this is flipping the device upside down and finding where it says lock and open, which is usually in the back. So right there it says lock, open. We're gonna twist it to open, take the cap off. The cap also has filter instructions as well. The filter has little things that you pull it up with, and here you go. Here's a good look at the filter. This is definitely going to be the real reason you get a lot of purified air, take out all those particles. It's a very, very good, strong, hefty filter. Alright, so let's put it back in. All you have to do is, like I did earlier, line up the arrows with open and lock it. Now you are all done. As you saw, the filter is very, very easy to change. The filter was already in the unit when I opened the box, but I did have to take it out and unwrap it from a plastic cover and then popped it back in. Now, the manufacturer does recommend changing the filter every 3 to 6 months. I do want to point out that this is a relatively new unit from iTvanila, and the replacement filter is not yet available as of the time of this particular filming. I do know that it will be out soon though, so I don't think you need to worry about that. The user manual, like I mentioned earlier, has a lot of basic instructions, especially with troubleshooting. There is a 1-year warranty, and the manual does have a web address for the company where the customer service email address is listed. So you have anything else that doesn't go along with the troubleshooting aspects listed in the back, feel free to email them. Alright, so that's a look at the iTvanila Air Purifier. Please check the description section below for more information on it and for any updates. You'll also find links to our social media, so be sure to like us and follow us there. And we appreciate your likes and comments. If you have any concerns, let us know. We'd be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching.